Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Reaper Bones mini. This time it is one of the women from the Townsfolk set. She looks like she's up for a riot as well, holding this torch and a rolling pin. She's been primed in German Panzer Grey, and I'm starting off with Cold Grey for her dress. Next up is Plague Brown for the torch handle and her rolling pin. With the wooden parts done, I moved on to Leather Brown for her apron and corset. That will be it for the base colours of her clothing. I'll now use Elven Flesh to do her face and her arms. Next, I use Vallejo's Sun Yellow to do the first layer of the flame on her torch. While the yellow is drying, I used Ash Grey to add some highlights to the Cold Grey just to add a little bit of variety into it. Now that the yellow is dry, I used Mythical Orange to do the raised areas of the flames, keeping the yellow in the recesses. Waiting for the orange to dry, I used Matte White to do her eyes. The final colour for the flames is Vallejo's Bloody Red for the very tips of those flames and for her bracelet. The last colour before the washes is Matte Black for her eyes and the base. is the washi, starting with flesh wash for all of her skin and flames. Finally, I use strong tone to cover the entire mini apart from the skin and the flames. And that will be it for this woman. I enjoy painting townsfolk, as it's always nice to have bystanders for combat in towns instead of just the people you're fighting with, as there's gonna be people around somewhere. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.